rating these Lux Organics soothing gels from my list to most favorite. Take note, bestie, lahat naman sila favorite pero may list to most talaga ako kaya i-share ko sa inyo kung ano to. This Papaya Gluta Whitening Gel. Maganda rin to, bestie, pero this is my least favorite. Second is Aloe Vera and Snail Soothing Gel. Nakakapag-firm naman to ng skin, hydrate, and moisturize. This one is good for all skin types. Next, this Cica Soothing Gel. Nakakapag-calm siya ng irritated skin and nakaka-lessen ng blemishes. And take note, nakakapag-strengthen ng skin barrier. Next is Rose Water Soothing Gel. Maganda to dahil may whitening pearl and nakakapag-control ng oil production. And ito alam ko, favorite to ng lahat, pero for me, ito yung pangalawa sa favorite ko dahil may first pa. So this is Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. Alam naman natin na napakaganda nitong soothing gel na to. And kapag Lux Organics talaga is ipapanglaban ko. At yung most favorite ko is yung Hyaluron Soothing Gel. Nakaka-youthful, brighten, and nakaka-hydrate talaga ng skin. I swear, ito yung favorite ko sa lahat. And lahat naman sila ay lightweight and not sticky.
Which one is your favorite? Comment down below.